So I bought the SC400 about a month ago, and I love the car, but there's one thing I can't stand. The windows. They have the worst watermarks I've ever seen. They look terrible. Today we're gonna try to get rid of them. So I started by trying out a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water, and it failed. So I went on to lemon juice, failed. Razor blade, failed. Clay bar, and yeah, that failed too. So I got in the car, I went to Walmart, and I bought the heavy duty water spot remover by Chemical Guys. I tried it out, and to be honest, I feel like I should have known better. So I took the bottle and I put it in safe storage. So far, nothing has worked. I just ordered a pro grade water spot remover by a company called Glasweld, so we'll try it out as soon as it gets here. It arrives the next day, we get to work, and it only removes some of the stain. So I kind of feel like I'm running out of options here. I just saw a YouTube video where the guy said he was able to remove the hard water spots with a headlight restoration kit, so I guess we're gonna try that out. I went with the Meguiars restoration kit, and I borrowed my friend's orbital polisher. And it actually worked. The watermarks were finally gone. There's still swirls in the glass, but the car's also 23 years old, so that's expected. We removed the rest of the stains and the SC is finally watermark free. So today, it's not that cold, and the SC has needed a wash real bad, so we're finally gonna take care of that. And that's it for me today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment down below. Holla at your koala. I'm out.